This is the rookie again, just getting back with you. I'm going to go over some basic concrete lifting tools, essentials, things you may or may not think that you need, or maybe that you do need, and whatever. But anyways, throwing this out there for some of you guys that are looking to get into it. It is the guys down in Kentucky, Tim Stratton, you got Patrick Mahoney, Nate Millman, Lynn Mecker over in Owen, Iowa. And so this is it, man. Like, here's the boss gun. That's what I use. I carry, this was like a DZ1. I think it was like from Seal Source. It's got NMP in there to try to squirt things, keep things clean when I'm going around doing my thing. I got Packer ports. This is the one you need for your the Boss Gen 2 air purge. I got about 600 in there. That's quite a bit. Here's your hammer drill. There's different size bits in there. I got different lengths. This one here is, I don't know, like 18 inches. There's a 12-inch one, and then I've got a 3-foot one right here in case I need to go a little further, and I'm gonna actually need that on an upcoming job for a deeper injection. There's the concrete saw. All right, that's a necessity. And I keep all this stuff in these totes. And that's the way it's organized. I can pull it in and out of the trailer if I'm not using concrete lifting stuff. Here's some basic grinders. And this one here I put on a skill saw and use that, generally when I'm doing like joint sealing and stuff. I'll use stuff like this here to help clean the joints out. I'll use this gas powered saw. I even use this smaller Makita 4-inch blade or whatever that is. And then I carry some heavier grinders in case I need those. I even carry a smaller one of these for a smaller grinder. It's conducive for just cleaning out things that someone may not want to pay to have extra lifted. I have a pretty good success rate with lifting. I don't really break concrete a lot, or overlift, so I really don't use this stuff, to be honest. This here are different anchors. Okay, these are different style anchors that I use with like a 3/8 bolt or whatever. And here's some of the plates that I use if I need them to bolt down over concrete. If I'm lifting this slab here and I do not want this side to come up, I can bolt this down and try to prevent an overlift if I need to. Like I said, I don't really overlift. It's just kind of a unique thing. Sometimes I can put stuff like this behind me on the slab behind me to ensure that whatever's behind me doesn't lift. Because with the air purge gun, you get the path of least resistance. So if there's a void here, it's going to fill the void and maybe possibly sometimes want to lift behind you. Here's different plates for that. Some of this, one of those is like a 1/2 inch thick. Nothing really less than a quarter. There's some heavy pry bars, heavy bars if something's not wanting to come up and I can't cut through the joint, the expansion joint or the relief cut, and it's I don't know, I only use those a couple times, but they've come in very handy. They're really heavy bars. There's a smaller pry bar, of course the Piranha tool. I kind of ruin that on concrete jobs, but it's really handy. Scrapers, definitely extra batteries. I drive all my stuff in with a drill. I don't like to sit there and jack around with ratchets or wrenches or whatever. And then I carry another one for the anchors if I need. One for the drill. When you're re-drilling holes out, you need to clean a hole out to go back to a previous location and lift there again. There's my Sawzall. I'm using the Hitachi 18-inch blade because the only reason is because those teeth go clear to the end. I think there's like a spider blade or something. It rounds off like right here, and there's like all this wasted space. So that's why I use the Hitachi blade. It's like 50 bucks on Amazon. And I carry a couple of these drill bits. Of course, there's a wire brush in case you need to clean things off. Some of you guys already know all this stuff. I mean, it's just mostly for the guys getting into it. Here's some other little blades, for cleaning out cracks. You get a lot of landscaping rocks and whatever else in in some of the cracks and broken concrete, and then it will actually if you don't get that stuff cleaned out of there, you know, you'll put a lot of pressure on the slab and it'll want to break. So I just make sure I'm super clean on those joints and cracks. And another good thing about this gas saw is if there's rebar in the concrete and it's like kind of hanging up, you just slice right through it. So make your life easy, use power tools, use whatever you can to get the job done fast and get on to the next job. I feel like I could move a lot faster with my air purge gun, in all honesty, compared to the mechanical purge gun, but there's advantages and disadvantages to each gun. This one here is going to be a better gun for void fills because you got the air pushing that foam around down there, and you don't have to go, you know, you don't have to drill as many holes in that one area. I feel to fill that void more full. The mechanical purge I feel like is a better gun for building pillars and even lifting smaller areas. So that's what I do, man. Like this is my setup. There's some more stuff that I probably don't have out here, but that's where it's at. Don't forget, you know, just make your own custom plates. You know, make that stuff. And get yourself some anchors and just kind of play around with it. And, you know, aim for success, guys. Thanks for watching.